Well, good evening. We are working our way here into our final week of March, and our Monday did start off on that cold note. We were watching that high even held below that freezing mark at 28. We even dropped to a low of 13. We did see that we had a few areas of some flakes in place, but nothing that was of any significant accumulation for the Cheyenne area as of yesterday. But we did roll through another day where we were watching some areas of those snow showers there push through, and we're continuing to still see some chances for some of these scattered snow showers in place. So note that some concerns there for some times of areas of reduced visibility with some of those bursts of snow showers, and some light coatings will be expected, but we will work into the overnight with some drying air conditions that will lead us into turning those temperatures around as well, because we did stay with that chill today as well. We note that through the overnight. We even note that we are starting to hang on to some more mild weather conditions due to seeing that lows are going to hold into those 20s, which is much more seasonable for this time of the year, within a low of 25 into Cheyenne that is closer to that average low of 27 versus dropping into the teens like we have been doing. Now, what we'll note is that we will be continuing to see this warm up in place after, again, that cool point from yesterday. We are making that upward climb where we'll be back to some seasonable temperatures as we work our way into that Thursday forecast. But what's going to be paired up with that warming is going to be some times of some breezy winds where there are some high wind concerns in place. But then we note that this is paired up with some dry weather before some weekend precipitation is on the board. And we're especially going to be keeping an eye on Sunday, Monday as one. There is that holiday on Sunday. And then we also will see that there could be some travel impacts with this system. So something we're watching though, but for the time being, we are underneath some quieting weather, which is going to allow for some mostly sunny skies to stick around through our Wednesday. We will be warmer than the last few days that we've had, but we know that we still will trend below that average there of 52 with a high of about 46 degrees in the Cheyenne area. Note that as we head into the afternoon, there will be still a little bit of a wind that we have in place there, trying to trend out of the northwest. Not going to have as much cold air advection as it has been able to bring, but note that that is going to bring at times some breezy conditions across the region, maybe a little bit of white knuckling at times, but we'll see that the highest winds are going to come Wednesday night into Thursday, especially for more of our wind prone areas here out west. So keep in mind that there is some high wind watch concerns being issued due to that potential for a high wind event. But we'll note that generally across much of our region, we'll hold to that sunshine and watch those warming temperatures even through Thursday. A potential at those along I-25 off towards the east will be heading into those mid 60s, where along I-80 there is going to be some hit or miss precipitation, as well as watching some of those breezy winds. Now, that isolated precipitation will be possible Friday, but bigger chances look to be arriving for the end of that weekend forecast.